Good morning, traders. Alla Peters Placher on January 1st, 4th, 2023. It is 10 minutes before the most important financial event of the month, where you will learn about FOMC meeting minutes from the previous announcement. It's a crucial key event where you will find out the details about the last rate increase. It's not as powerful as the last month's, however, it is still very important institutional event. As always, well before the major financial events, as always before major earnings, major institutional moves, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader very well prepared. So hours and days in advance, Alpha Fibonacci system identified. On retail chart, this is a brick wall. Again, this is day trading chart. So trader who manages little account and little money, this chart is critical, crucial. So if I convert this chart to 5-minute, this is a market in the last hour. So those of you who were in the trading room, you knew this well before this happened. And again, if I take you back to January 3rd, which is what we will be discussing with my students in the class, this was a move, stunning flawless move up when price moves one step at a time. Price always does this. Never forget that part. Price moves one step at a time. Before FOMC, retail chart reached critical key day trading levels. So here we are on January 4th. No matter what chart you trade, you know extremely well. Bullish rally overextended. What is ideal? Ideal, powerful pullback until at least here. If the buyers step in on this chart and start buying out the market this high, it's not a good news for retail trader. Not at all. Powerful pullback as low as possible to 3,800 will be a gift. So if you decide to short, it's important to note not to ignore this level. If you are utilizing Alpha Fibonacci software running on your left, you know this quite well before FOMC. This is simplicity and purity of the system, all projected across all charts. This is your retail trading range. So again, if you are trading your own little small account, this is what's extremely clear. Retail reversal zone is reached and price currently in weak pullback. We need a powerful pullback, not a small one. Everyone with me? With Alpha Fibonacci system, you are trading the power. You're avoiding the weakness. Weak bearish pullback is not a good news. Buying this high into reversal zone is not a brilliant move. Again, sell-off and crash is a gift. This is what played out while we were on a break. This is simplicity of the system. Again, I'm projecting software on 1-minute chart. Trades played out on other charts. We're discussing everything in details in the live class. What do you see clearly on this chart? Bold red line spelled out. This is not the place to buy. Bold red line is retail reversal zone. And when short reaches critical Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, what's extremely important to note? Do not gamble with your money. Do not gamble. Do not speculate. Know where to exit your short. This is a critical key target. You're adjusting your trail outside. You're expecting reversal, which is exactly what plays out at this level. High 80%. If you will refuse to exit your short, nothing good is possible. But if you do obey by Alpha Fibonacci rules, this is strategic, intelligent, Alpha Fibonacci software chess. So here we are again. If price coming back to this level, this is a place you're monitoring for short. If price keeps finding buyers at this level, it's not a good news. 4 minutes before FOMC, let's confirm all the retail structure with institutional moves. Starting flawless place to be 3,800. Buyers full in charge on this chart. retail brick wall is here. So again, if price pulling back to 3,800, institutional buyers waiting far in advance. When multi-million and multi-billion dollar positions are moving, it doesn't happen with a single clip. It happens with strategy. It happens with advanced trade placement. Based on this chart, with a single blink, it's clear 3,800 is a dream. 3820, 3830. So if the bullish rally is skyrocketing without pullback to this level, it's not a good news. And again, you short here. And again, as we're discussing tomorrow, in historical first class of 2023, this is extremely important to understand. December 14th, stunning institutional short. On the next day, December 16th, continued to short. If you start shorting anywhere near here, you're standing in front of bullish train. Again, December 14th. You love to short the markets. You are glued to the screen. You're shorting market with institutions. You also know hours and days in advance that this is critical key support to the downside. You remember quite well price moves one step at a time. So, black and white, 3800, 3820, 3830 is ideal. Institutional long sitting and waiting here. If bullish rally skyrockets without pullback, not a good news. On January 4th, 2023, bullish rally overextended from 3800 to 3880 level, reaching critical key retail brick wall. Finally, my favorite chart of all times. This is a chart where multi-billion dollar positions are managed. In a single class, you see why you've been struggling for so many years. In a single class, you see so many revelations about flawless pure price. It just blows you away how simple, flawless, stunning market is, and how we overcomplicate everything in trading. So again, we've been here for the last 4 weeks. Intelligent trader knows with a single glimpse exactly why. But again, if sellers are weak, if price is not collapsing here, we will be stuck in bearish correction for longer and longer of times. Buyers are weak, ladies and gentlemen. This is great institutional brick wall where no one buying into. And again, if I bring you back to this level, September 2022. What do we discuss with my brilliant intelligent traders? We discuss that 3800, 3600 is a dream. Sell off and crash is on. Intelligent trader glued to the screen, where institutional buy orders sitting and waiting weeks and months in advance. Again, this morning we are not at 3600. This morning, bullish rally overextended. This morning on January 4th, price extremely high. We are at 3881. We need sell-off and crash. Here's the software instantly in front of you. Panic, narrow trading range, overextended bullish rally is not a good thing. Intelligent trader not pulling trigger randomly. Intelligent trader understands these spikes are extremely dangerous moves. Intelligent trader allows market to stabilize. That's a critical key part. Again, if institutions trading too longs, if institutions not pulling back lower, for day trader this becomes a major problem. Again, this support remains intact. Shorts are worthless. Shorts are weak. Institutional bullish rally remains intact. What is the problem? Based on this week, it is 40 points higher. Are you clear? And what would you see in Thursday class? Instantly, where institutional buy orders waiting. You're riding the power. You don't stand in front of bullish train. So please, if you are in the course, make sure you will attend this Thursday class. And again, if you are a student in Australia, New Zealand, or someone who works full-time, it's not a problem. I will always record an extra class. I am on your side. That's it. 1 minute chart showing you retail chop. 1 minute chart showing you retail weakness. Buyers fully in charge, pullback is weak. We need sell-off, we need the crash. 3800 is day trader's dream. Again, this support is not out. Market will be brutal if trader trades little account. No speculation, no gambling here. Key moment in front of you. So this is a stunning reminder of simplicity and power of the system. At the time of FOMC, instant reversal. Currently, we're monitoring critical key moment. If there is no buyers at this level, if there is no power, for day trader, it's a gift. It's a beautiful news. If buyers already step in, extreme caution, please. It's very aggressive move. If you will choose to day trade, this is a stunning reminder. You need to operate as intelligent sniper. Did we know far in advance this is not the place to short? Of course. There is no other option. This is the only option. That's it. Short before FOMC. Neurotic long. Few minutes after FOMC. So short and long will play out back and forth. This is a stunning reminder of the importance of precision. What does it say in front of you? Target reversal zone. What does the intelligent trader do? Single double outsize, completely out. Trail outside. Outside of this level. But again, this is software for day trading. You don't have to day trade this system. I just love showing you simplicity and purity. I'm obsessed with what I developed. It blows my mind to see how people blow up their accounts chasing security blankets. Cheap systems, cheap indicators. If you found something better, I would love to see that. I just got off the phone call with a very private fund on the planet, where one of our very grateful students invested heavily. Why? Because he's done so well with Alpha Fibonacci system. But again, in the trading room you see precision instantly. Day trading not for you. Use the system long term, which we will review next. So is everyone clear what happens at reversal zone? Yes? And price can do this for the next 2 hours. If this retail support is not out, it's a problem for retail traders who short and short and short. That's it. Key level in front of you. Been bought again and again and again. Key target in front of you tells you what not to enter into. Why in the world is this such aggressive short? Because it's not at the bold red line. Correct? If it's not at the bold red line, do not touch the short. Only after you double and triple your account, you can trade this aggressively. Again, there is no long at this level. This is where you exit your long. This is extremely clear, black and white. Very limited trading range. But price tells you again and again and again, if you're trading aggressively, you will be in pain. It's a crawl. Now, critical moment again. Will the buyer step in again and again and again? This will be ultimate dance back and forth. And that's the reason I love major news events, that you see instantly the power of this system. So if you want to trade better than top hedge fund managers on the planet, I look forward working with you. Let's look on Tesla, let's look on Apple now, shall we? So if you ever doubted the power of the system, doubt no more. The only thing you have to do is show up in the trading room and see the system and software in the live markets. And you can ask questions about any instrument you choose. So while the price is testing key retail support in front of you, let's look on Tesla and Apple now, shall we? Again, to remind you, it's a reversal zone, the place to exit your long. Aggressive shorts are in, aggressive because it's not at the bold red line. The middle will forever be aggressive. That's simplicity and power of the system. So if you took that short, you better get the heck out of your short. Single double lot size is completely out. If you trade multiple lot sizes, your trail outside, less than 20% left on. So here we go again and again and again. Simplicity during the most important financial news. Are you clear on that? No reason to delay and wait. So this is Bitcoin, identical reversal zone you witnessed on S&P this morning multiple times. So if I take you back on Bitcoin on that day, this is a chart from the trading room, November 2021. As I said for years, Bitcoin is the biggest scam. As I said for years, I adore Jimmy Dimon. As I said for years, I would not touch it with a lightning pole. So when Bitcoin collapsing completely, no one is surprised. During the biggest hedge fund convention, crypto convention in the world in Miami, when Mayor of Miami announcing you can pay your real estate taxes with Bitcoin, when El Salvador basing the entire country's economy on Bitcoin, it's outrageous. It's horrific. It's gambling. So when Bitcoin lost well above of 60% value in 2022 and Bitcoin losses 2 trillion, what breaks my heart when I see traders listening to hype and noise when we're discussing in the class for the last year and a half. Do not touch Bitcoin with a lightning pole, please. It's gambling. Bitcoin in free fall. So, I'm not a fan of Tom Brady because one of the most favorite people on the planet that's adored by everyone so much keeps pushing Bitcoin to his fans. So while we're deciding and discussing this in every class, it's a smart thing to short, not to buy Bitcoin. Have you seen what's happening? Some people completely obliterated. Their accounts blown up because they believed in Tom Brady. Did you know that? I've received that phone call because our American role model was pushing Bitcoin when our future student said he was told to hold Bitcoin till 100. Another one. One of our very happy students knew where to exit Tesla. My goodness. ARK loaded up 40 billion on Tesla. Did you know that? Casey Wood still buying Tesla. Non-stop. We keep discussing this with my students. Every single day she keeps updating, she keeps buying Tesla. So here is Bitcoin today. And here is Tesla. Are you done listening to hype? Are you done gambling with your money? Are you ready to use your brilliant brain? If the answer is yes, I look forward to working with you. Because if you can drive, if you can play chess, you can trade the system. This is software for Ninja Trader 8 during the most important financial, the most volatile event of them all. That's showing you simplicity is the most crucial part. So, here we go on Bitcoin today. I may be buyer on Bitcoin at 600. Lifeline on Bitcoin 12,000. That's it. Buyers are weak. So my student who exited Tesla before phenomenal crash, whose retirement account was loaded on very large position on Tesla, forever grateful, my dearest friend for life, coming to meet me in California. That's the reason I love what I do. Because you're a limitless human being. If the traders in US and globally from 14-year-old can do this, so can you. Here's Tesla on January 4th. I have no idea what the earnings been on Tesla, but the one thing I know for sure, Elon Musk is a much better trader than Cassie Woods. Elon Musk sold billions of Tesla while losing billions on Twitter. Elon Musk sold Tesla $23 billion this year. Genius move. A whole lot better than Cassie Woods. Tesla collapsed all the way to 105. As of this morning has potential to 71, but only when rules are met you can take a trade. That's it. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Is it day trading software for NinjaTrader 8? If not, if that's too much, use system long term. You can look at the charts once an hour, once a day, every 15 minutes, once a week, once a month. Every trader decides what they want to trade. Tesla oversold. Here's a final chart. Amazon. The only first companies in lost $1 trillion this year. Did you know where to exit Amazon, or do you think it's a Bible of stocks, as some been told? Not so fast, please. Unless you can afford to lose $1 trillion this year. You've been shorting, not buying Amazon. Are you clear on that? That's it. And you knew this far in advance. And that's the power of the system. No software required. You can manage your own money much better than financial advisors would. But yes, in the course, about 50% of hedge fund traders, hedge fund managers, financial advisors, family offices, and the other 50% retail traders. Unless we work on very personal level, it's absolutely your business, the size of your position you trade. Software for NinjaTrader 8, showing you again and again and again. This is Alpha Fibonacci chess during the most important financial event. So thank you so much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this morning so much. I look forward to working with you. I'm off to my students to recap. So if you are done losing money, if you are done gambling, if you are done trading on hype, I look forward to working with you. In the trading room, you can always see the power of the system in the live markets, and you can make a very personal decision on what's appropriate for you. This exact same system I taught to JP Morgan traders. This exact same system I taught to traders who have few $100 accounts. It's your personal decision. The instrument you trade. It's your personal decision if you day or position trade. So if you listen to students' podcasts and view students' performance as more and more emails coming every day, this is a stunning reminder. Can you trade Forex? Can you trade crypto? Of course you can. Can you trade S&P mini future? Of course you can. Can you trade options? Of course you can. So, please decide what's appropriate for you and your psychological comfort. Every single person here is different, and we dive so deep in the class. So please choose from 4 options available for you. All self-explanatory on the homepage. Private mentoring, I have only 1 spot left. I become well overbooked as private mentoring booked 4 months in advance. Private mentoring offered with 8,000 in savings includes software for Ninja 8, and you can trade system across all platforms. The Option 3 private mentoring includes everything except software for Ninja 8. This is a second course that includes software for Ninja 8, all group classes, video library modules, trading room. This is the most popular option, savings $5,000. Much more details on the products. So if you're done trading on hype and noise, and you reviewed all the information on the website, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed. And if you're serious about trading, please reach out. You'll be amazed how deep we dive. Thank you so much, traders.